Hey, good morning everybody. It's John with GreenKey. I'm here on site for our first install of the day. Got my brother Chase here with me.
Morning.
So we are going to be installing a 4x6 post. Right here we got a sidewalk in our vehicle. So we're going to put our post right about here with our 48 amp EV charger on it. You can see we've marked the ground and Chase is already starting to put in a trench. We are using rigid conduit, so we're going to be putting in a trench that's about, slide past you,
Yep,
about 8 inches deep. It's going to come right through here and come up the wall. We're going to have a junction box, and inside in the crawl space we're going to be running 6.2 MC to the panel, which is on the back of the house. So we're going to go ahead and get rolling with this project, and after we're done we'll show you what it looks like. See y'all soon. All right folks, I'm back and we finished the job up. I want to show you what it looks like. Chase did a fantastic job with all the hard stuff and I took care of the easier stuff. So here's the post. Again, ChargePoint 48 amp charger. As you can see, there's our rigid conduit coming out of the ground, switching over to liquid tight. Ran number 6 wire in rigid conduit the whole way, so we buried it just over 6 inches to the top of the conduit. Ran right down through here, and you can see where it comes back out of the ground into our box, and from that box over to the panel, which is on the back wall inside the house. I'm not going to go in there. It's a square D home line panel. We put a 60 amp breaker in for our 48 amp charger, and we did that because for continuous power it's got to be 125% of the usage, which is 48 amps. So 60 amp breaker. So that is it for today. I just want to remind y'all that God loves you and he sent his son Jesus to die for you. And we appreciate you too. We love y'all too. And we'll see you next time.